Welcome to my video about my 3D printed Elizabeth. As you can see, I already 3D printed, primed and painted it. I printed it in 3 pieces, or well, 2. First this half, then the top half. I also had to print her hand separately. As you can see, I really tried to get as much detail in this model as I possibly could, given the size. It's roughly the size of my hand. And as you can see, I really tried to get that detail. So her eyes were really hard to paint just because it's so small. But I think it worked out pretty well. He also painted her necklace and her little, well, shirt decorations, her belt. Also the pattern on her legs were pretty hard. You would think it would be pretty easy, but it was actually pretty tricky. Anyhow, I'm really happy with this model. I think it worked out fine. The model is available on Thingiverse, made by Solid. And yeah, by the way, I painted this red because I think it really accentuates the color of her lips. So yeah, this is really one of my best pieces. And yeah, that's it. See you later.